have today is a drive shaft that is one of the 3 part numbers typically used in a 2-piece conversion. This drive shaft part number is going to be 52123162 AC. Overall length of this drive shaft from the differential to the transfer case or the transmission, if yours is just a 2-wheel drive, is 85.5 inches. The barrel length of this aluminum drive shaft, or width I should say, is approximately 6 inches. The outside diameter of the front yoke is 2 3/8 inches. Typically this drive shaft is used to do a 2-piece to a 1-piece swap on a Dodge Ram 25 3500. If you have any other questions about this product or maybe another part number, sign up for our fan page, write us an email, and we'll get that video shot for you. Thank you.